In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on TikTok. So you can change both your display name and your username of TikTok very easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can also do it. Firstly, open up the app of TikTok and you can tap on the profile icon on the bottom right of the screen and tap on edit profile. Here you can see two options of name, which one is the name and other one is the username. You can change both of these names very easily. If you tap on name, you can make any changes very easily. And here it says your name can only be changed once every 7 days. So if you have made any changes to your name within 7 days, you cannot change it again and you will have to wait 7 days to change it again. So make sure you remember that. After you made the changes, you can tap on save. And again, you can do the same for username. Tap on the username option. Before you add in or change your username, here also you need to keep in mind that usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores and periods. And changing your username also will change the profile link. And the other thing is you can only change username once in every 30 days. So the name was once in 7 days and the username is once in every 30 days. So make sure you keep in mind all of those things and you can make the changes here and then you can tap on save. And there you go. Now you change your display name and your username on TikTok. I really hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thank you for watching.